So you.
Hi guys, it's Josh from Revive Testosterone Clinic and Float Therapy. I've been going around the Paducah area talking to different people about recovery and things they can do to better their health. And today we have Dr. Sarah. She is going to do some scraping on me, and I'm going to have her explain actually what scraping is.
So my name is Dr. Sarah McCartney. I'm the owner of River to River Chiropractic here in Paducah. And one of my specialty areas is soft tissue treatments and recovery. And today we're going to be doing some soft tissue scraping, and this is a type of myofascial scraping, instrument-assisted myofascial treatment, kind of whatever, that has a lot of different terms. And what this is used for is different areas of overuse, of injury. We have some scar tissue that builds up, and what I do is I go in with some different tools and I actually break up the scar tissue to restore motion in the joint, restore blood flow, bring extra blood flow to the area to increase healing and decrease pain at the same time.
There you go. So is this usually a one-time thing, or do people come back for multiple treatments?
This is a multiple treatment accessory to chiropractic care or any type of recovery. Normally, I see people several times in a row. It increases the healing, assists everything, and then after usually about a week or two, they're good to go with their normal routines.
Okay, so let's say, we're going to do it on me today. I'm going to get scraping on. I got some tendonitis I've been dealing with for a while. When can I get to my everyday activities? Now, I'm usually an everyday worker outer. Is this something I need to take off a couple of days? Do you take off a week, 2 weeks?
This is something that really just assists with your own movement. So
okay.
I never tell people, unless there's a really serious injury, that they need to take off time. If you're a little bit sore, we might adjust some of your normal activities to something a little bit scaled. If you're going to do 100 push-ups, maybe we'll scale that down to something else, but not something that you need to totally reconfigure your routine.
Yeah. All right, so you're in River to River. Do you just take care of people who are at River Fitness, or do you take care of outside people?
No, I take care of the entire community and surrounding communities of Paducah. It's just kind of an extra perk that I am located inside of a fitness facility, so it allows me to further tailor recovery process to people because I have access to gym equipment as well.
Awesome. So again, scraping is something that not a lot of people do, and actually I couldn't find anybody else that did it in this area. So when you can go to a person that can do your chiropractic care, scraping, it's probably a good thing to do. So we're just going to pause up for a second, and then we're going to get ready to start some scraping, and we'll be right back. All right, thanks. All right, guys, so she just got done doing the inside of my arm. Why don't you kind of explain what you did real quick for him?
Okay, so we just finished scraping his medial collateral ligament and surrounding soft tissue. So I have a variety of scraping tools that I use, and what I did was first we adjusted his elbow to make sure everything was lined up nicely, and then I did some gentle pass-throughs with my tools, searching for those pockets of scar tissue. And once I found them, I go back and work through the little knots. Throughout the process, I make sure that his mobility is still there and increasing at the same time. And once that side is done, we're going to move to his lateral side.
Yeah, so you kind of explained to me real good about what that scar tissue actually was. Tell me that again.
Yeah, so the scar tissue, what we call it, is actually fascia, which is some tissue that builds up, especially as we're building muscle, which obviously Josh is an avid weightlifter and exercises a lot, so he's doing a lot of muscle building. When your muscles build, the fascia in there actually tears a little bit, and as it recovers, sometimes we get some knots formed if our mobility process isn't perfect, which not many of ours are. So these little pockets build up and it feels like pieces of scar tissue. So I'm going in there to break it up, to restore mobility, function, and feel better.
Yep. All right, so unfortunately mine's on both sides, so we are not going to go to the other side, and we'll be right back. Thanks. All right, guys, so she just got done doing the outside of the, what's it called?
This is your lateral collateral ligament and the surrounding tissue and muscles.
As you can see, it's all red on the inside, red on the outside, a lot of scraping. So we got the scraping done. What do we do now?
So now your first treatment's done. I'm actually going to run an ultrasound on it to help decrease the swelling and get the decrease in swelling a little bit deeper under the muscle. As you go home, what I usually suggest, keep it moving. We want to keep the blood flowing, and then an alternation of ice and then heat on the area. So about 20 minutes of ice, 20 minutes of heat or a hot shower, 20 minutes of ice, 20 minutes of heat will help increase the blood flow to the area to help provide healing, and then decrease the swelling as well to decrease pain.
Okay, so should I expect a little bit of pain later today, like as it starts to heal?
You can expect a little bit of bruising and a little bit of swelling. You might have a swollen feeling, a little bit of achiness, tenderness. It should go away in about 12 to 24 hours, and then you'll be ready for your second treatment.
Awesome. Well, guys, it feels really good already. I'll tell you that. Even before the movement, I'd still always feel little twinges in here and here, and it feels great. So come check out Dr. Sarah at River to River. She can do chiropractic care, ultrasound care, scraping, and a whole lot of other things to help you recover and get through your exercising programs that you want. Okay? Anything else you want to add?
Thank you for coming. Appreciate it, and look forward to seeing you guys soon.
Thanks, guys. Remember to come visit us at Revive Float Therapy and Testosterone Therapy. Thanks.